What up, guys? So things in Minnesota took a turn for the worst, and we now have snow. Look at, I got snow pants on, snow boots. So I mean, the skid's in the snow. I mean, everything's in the snow, which sucks, but that means that dirt bikes and stuff are done for the year. No more pit bike track, none of that stuff. But what that does mean is now we got winter pit bikes, and so now me and my homie are gonna go link up at the sand track and do some winter motos in the snow. So we got the boots and everything all strapped up, ready to go. We're about to go link up there in a little bit and throw down some fucking laps. This is gonna be sick. It's a little bit slushy out right now. It's sticky, but it's slushy, so there's gonna be some wet spots, there's gonna be some slippery spots, there's gonna be some sketchy spots, but it should be sick. Actually, I'm fucking hyped. It's the first one in a minute. I haven't ridden pit bikes in the winter in a couple of years now, so I'm pumped. I'm ready to get at it. And as you can see, look, we got a good amount of snow, so it's go time. Let's get the pit bike out and get to it. I gotta go a couple laps before I get my boots muddy. Woohoo! My hands are so cold. You guys, I got like the best playlist going right now. Full EDM set going on. Oh yeah, that was clean. Should I do the big one? Just kidding. Thing's too big. Get this clean. Oh, whoa. Whoa, whoa. Oh, whoa, no, whoa. Whoa. Gotta make up some lost time. Oh. If I had a good lineup, then I could get that jump. Get this thing clean. Let's go. Oh, whoa. Just let second gear in. Oh, fuck. Right through the mud. Got the rut though. Oh. stay nimble and wide open. Never let up. Yes, sir, in the snow. Oh, look at this shit. Oh. Oh. My hands are fucking cold, bro. I gotta take a pit stop. That's good. We're going for the backwards sesh today. Look at that.
This is the prime set.
Yeah, hell yeah.
I like riding this shit.
Dude, my house was almost more fun than this. It was technical, it was longer, and it was harder. Is it?
Yeah, like when I come into this corner, it takes like 2 seconds for it to clean up.
Really? You got water in it?
I just cleaned the carb, but there's 2 wires. One's for the tow, one's for something else, and the wire's broken, but it's electrical tape. But it's in there really janky.
Really?
Maybe it's the weather. Big sash, this is fun as hell.
Yeah, it's prime. No way. Bruh. Damn. What the fuck? Dude, look at this. You see that? Oh, I got a flat tire. I was wondering, bro. I'm like, what the hell, bro? I thought I snapped the sprocket off on that thing. What?
I didn't see it.
Shitty. I don't know what happened. Snapped it clean through, too. Hey. No! Not prank! Sesh it like this. I'm gonna put it in a lap, see if it'll work. Oh shit.